Hello everyone, welcome to StretchingZilla. In this video, I'm going to show you some exercises with the help of which you can improve your shoulder flexibility and mobility. It helps you to avoid shoulder injuries. So let's start. You have to start in this position and then join your hands and stretch them from the upper part of your body towards your back like this. You have to repeat this for 5 times.
Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.
Now get into this position and raise one of your hand and stretch it opposite side. Repeat same thing with other hand.
Then I push it down, saying you're in love. I could go without, let me get away. It's over now, it's over now. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing.
Now you have to join both your hands behind you and stretch your shoulder while touching your head to the ground and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Walk away, don't look. Baby,
In the next exercise, you have to do cat pose like this and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now you have to come in this position and join your hands behind you and stretch your shoulders like this. Repeat this for 5 times.
see it on my face. I made up my mind, not another day. You're on borrowed time, let me get away.
In the next exercise, you have to move your hands backward as much as you can and hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds.
Shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.
In the next exercise, you have to stretch your shoulders like this.
Feel it rising up, then I push it down, saying you're in love. I could go without.
Now you have to stretch your shoulders with the help of an object.
Now, so love me or leave me. I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took.
Now you have to stand and join your hand behind your back and bend your upper body forward and stretch your shoulders like this. In the last exercise, you have to do triangle pose and stretch your shoulders.
I'm gone for good.
Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.